Fashion designer Cherylyne Estibeiro has exported face masks to Singapore and now looks forward to send her creation to New York. In the wake of the pandemic, the Goan manufacturer has turned her atelier into a face mask manufacturing unit to provide relief to the vulnerable population and medical responders. Cherylyne's team works tirelessly to manufacture and supply face masks to various frontline and other sectors across the state and beyond. Masks are available for children, teenagers, and adults, keeping in mind the basic requirement and also for the fashion-conscious population. The different types of masks can be categorized as reversible masks, non-reversible masks, logo masks, foldable ninja masks, slogan masks, scarf masks, and coming soon will be the statement masks. Live News Goa Bureau Report.